Spider monkeys are a really cute and fascinating animal, but why are they so important for an ecosystem? Sadly, most species of spider monkeys are considered to be endangered, with some considered to be critically endangered in the wild. This is mostly due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. In the wild, spider monkeys play a key role in seed dispersal, allowing the forest environment to continue to grow and thrive. The way this works is these spider monkeys will eat the fruit and then, frankly, poop out the seeds, moving those seeds from one location to the next as the troop moves from, well, one location to the next, preserving the biodiversity of plants throughout different regions in a rainforest rather than just having a homogeneous one species monoculture throughout a large patch of rainforest. So there you have it, spider monkeys. Their poop's important. Hit the plus for more if you dare.